Namaste. Let's begin our practice with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your legs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release and return to center, moving into an alternate side body stretch. Sitting tall, place one hand to the earth in line with your hip. Reach your opposite arm up and overhead, keeping your top shoulder open to the sky, lengthening through your side body. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, grounding down through your legs, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Sitting tall, make small circles, bending at your wrists, gradually increasing your range of motion. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, releasing any tension in your wrists or hands. Release, adding one more wrist stretch variation. Place the tops of your hands together. Gently rotate in, up, and away, moving at your own pace. Continue lightly pressing through the tops of your hands as you switch directions, feeling the energy flowing through your wrists, hands, and fingers. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.